Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear struts on a 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord. So jack up the car, put it on jack stands, and take off the wheel. I'm doing the right rear here. So the top of the strut actually mounts inside the car, so you will have to be removing some rear seat area components. Then down here there's a 17mm bolt that holds it on to the knuckle. But to actually remove the strut out of this area, you'll need to either disconnect the sway bar link, and then it'll be a tight squeeze getting in there, or we have a slightly less tight squeeze if you remove the bracket for the sway bar link with this bolt right here. But be careful, because that could be easy to break if there's any rust in here. I will be heating it up a good bit with a torch before I try to take that out. And before I do that, I'm going to move this wheel speed sensor wire out of the way just so I don't accidentally burn that. So unfortunately, I did melt that clip a little bit, and there's a slight singe on the wire and a tiny bit on the brake hose, but sometimes that's what you get when you're using a torch. But I got that bolt out. That's going to make this a lot easier. So now with the strut bolt out and the bracket bolt out, still attached to the sway bar link, so I don't have to mess with that, but I can still move the bracket out of the way, which will make it a lot easier to get this strut out.
The top of the strut mounts inside the car behind the rear seat side bolsters. To remove these, you first have to remove the rear seat cushion. To remove the cushion, there's a 10mm bolt between the cushion and the seat back. It's not easy to see on video, but it's in this area and you can reach it with an extension. The front of the seat cushion is held down by a special fastener on each side. With the seat out, you can see how it works. You just pull on the handle and pull up on the seat cushion. Once both sides are released, you can remove the entire seat cushion. This trim piece is in the way of the bolt holding down the bolster, so unclip by pulling up on the trim piece and then unhooking it from around the door seal. Now we can see the 10mm bolt that holds the bolster in. Then the whole bolster should slide upwards, disengaging two tabs. This one fought me and didn't want to come out easily.
So for some reason this fought me a ton coming out. There's just one tab coming down here and one tab coming down here. Both of them broke, and for some reason it took all my strength to get this one to come off. That's how you get the bolster out. It just pulls up. So next you need to take this black plastic piece off. You need to take both bolsters off to get this off. So do the same thing on the other side of the car. So now remove this black piece. So it wraps around the lip of the metal on the bottom. Now I have access to the top of the strut. There's only two nuts, one on the front, one on the back. One on the back is a little bit blocked by this, but you don't want to have to take this whole shelf off. So just squeeze your ratchet in there. It'll be a little tight, but better than taking this whole piece off. Now, with the strut loose, you need to actually get it all apart. Get a pry bar between the strut and the knuckle and work that out of its spot. And there you go. I don't know what the proper way is to get that out, because there's not much room. What I did was unbolt the brake hose from this bracket so I can move the entire bracket sway bar link out of the way over here, and then just slowly work the whole thing through. I don't know if there's an easier way, because that wasn't very easy. Then put the new one in the way you took the old one out. Once you get it up, you can throw one of the nuts on the top to hold it up. So after a lot of trial and error, I figured out if I put my pry bar here, I can pull down on everything far enough to actually get the bolt in. So now I have the bolt partially through. I need to bring over the sway bar link and that bracket, which is where it actually goes into. So I got the strut bolt partially into the bracket, then I got the bracket bolt in, then I tightened the bolt down and reinstalled the brake hose. I'm going to have to zip tie the wheel speed sensor wire on here because that clip melted and then vanished. Now I just need to put the interior back together, put the wheel on, and I'm done.
The interior goes back together just the way it came apart. Put the top trim piece back on, put the side bolsters in, the lower door trims, and then the cushion.
I hope the video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.